Welcome to Sleep Science Today. Another Sleepytini. This time I have been waiting to dig into this delicious, ripe, fresh, cold watermelon. So we're going to make a watermelon kiwi relaxer. Two of my favorite fruits, watermelon and kiwi. Watermelon is subtle but sweet. Kiwi is a little bit more tart, but combining them together, watch what happens. Okay, we need a knife to get some watermelon, so we're going to go ahead and take, about yay much watermelon and do our best to show you what we're doing so we can get this watermelon slice out of here. Look at that. Put this in the glass, and kiwi. You can tell that's a kiwi. This is a golden kiwi. A little bit different than the green kiwi that you see a lot. Has some wonderful flavor in it. And I'm going to cut it up. It goes into the glass here. And got a lot of color going on here. Got that beautiful gold, and we've got the red of the watermelon. You can kind of see that. Now we're going to come over here, put in 3 milligrams melatonin and a little bit of our chamomile tea base. We need our muddling stick, which is right here, and we are going to muddle away. Because that's what you do when you have a muddling stick. I wouldn't expect you to do anything different with a muddling stick, but to muddle. You know, some tools are made for a particular purpose and they work well for that purpose. Other than that, not good for much else. But here we go. You can feel that watermelon just kind of getting pulverized as we muddle down here. You see the kiwi getting mixed in. All right. Take a look at that. Watermelon, kiwi. Now, got to take our mixer, put some ice in here, and we're going to strain this out because we don't want to have all that pulp in there. Time to kind of work its way through, and let's help it out a little bit. Got a lot of fiber and a lot of pulp that is blocking our strainer and keeping all that delicious watermelon and chamomile and melatonin, keeping it all stuck in the strainer. Now, put the top on, and you do the dance. Hear it, right? Martini glass. Wait till you see what this one looks like. How do I always get exactly the right amount? Maybe because I make a lot of Sleepytinis. Okay. Time to taste. You know, it's like drinking a watermelon. I'm used to eating watermelons, but drinking watermelons, not a bad thing. Kind of like it. All right, let's review. Watermelon, kiwi, melatonin, chamomile tea, muddle it together, shake it up, get it nice and cold, and here you go. Now it's time to get some good, restful sleep. Subscribe, hit the like button, set the notifications, tell your friends, give us your comments. You do your part so we can keep doing our part. We'll see you on the next episode.